A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark ruling, the UK Supreme Court has unanimously decided that the terms woman and sex in the Equality Act 2010 refer specifically to biological women and biological sex. This decision has significant implications for transgender women, particularly those holding gender recognition certificates (GRCs), as it excludes them from the legal definition of a woman. The ruling comes as a victory for gender-critical campaigners who have long argued for the protection of single-sex spaces based on biological sex. The implications of this ruling are far-reaching, affecting various sectors including healthcare, sports, and women's charities, as well as access to women-only spaces such as changing rooms and shelters. The court's decision has been met with mixed reactions, with the UK government stating that it provides clarity for women and organizations that operate single-sex services. A government spokesperson emphasized the importance of protecting single-sex spaces based on biological sex, reaffirming the government's commitment to these protections. In contrast, Scottish First Minister John Swinney expressed acceptance of the ruling while emphasizing the need to protect the rights of all individuals. The court's deputy president, Lord Hodge, articulated that the Equality Act's provisions are clear in dealing with biological sex at birth, rather than acquired gender. This interpretation is expected to influence policymaking in various areas, including sports and healthcare. Trans rights advocates have expressed shock and disappointment at the ruling, stating it undermines 2 decades of progress in recognizing the rights of transgender individuals. The Scottish Trans Campaign Group voiced their commitment to continue fighting for the dignity and safety of trans people in light of the ruling. Ellie Gummersall, a trans woman and member of the Scottish Green Party, called for legal reforms to ensure full equality for trans individuals, expressing dismay at the court's decision which she believes strips away hard-won rights. Meanwhile, gender-critical advocates, including those from For Women Scotland, have celebrated the ruling as a validation of their stance that the definition of woman must be limited to those born biologically female. This decision raises critical questions about the future of gender recognition laws in the UK and the balance between protecting the rights of transgender individuals and ensuring the safety and rights of women. As the implications of this ruling unfold, it is clear that the conversation surrounding gender, identity, and rights will continue to be a contentious issue in British society. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.